Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are studying very hard for your exams. Don't take it otherwise, but I want to share something. There are many students who are just studying for the sake of clearing the examination. They are not just they are not taking interest, or I should say they are not enjoying whatever they are studying. So my advice to those students are, please don't take it otherwise. My advice to them is take interest in your studies, because studying is fun. Just enjoy whatever you're studying, and as a result you'll find that you're able to complete your syllabus as well as your revision before deadline, and that too effectively. I'm saying this from my experience. Sometimes even I face this kind of situation. So I've now I've overcome this situation. So I'm saying this from experience. Just enjoy whatever you're studying. As a result, you'll always meet your deadlines. You may even finish your target before deadline also. So just enjoy whatever you are studying. Now let's start this chapter. As you all know that I've already uploaded the videos of 6 chapters. In my last video I had completed chapter 10, tax invoice credit and debit notes. In this video I'm going to discuss the question answers of chapter 11, that is accounting records e-way. Okay, as it's a very small chapter, so directly we'll move towards the questionnaire, and I'll not do the summary portion. Only 5 questions are there in the study mat in ICS study material. So let's move towards the questionnaire. Question number 1. Sindhu Enterprises is a supplier of goods. Its turnover has exceeded 2 crore in current financial year. Discuss whether Sindhu Enterprises is required to get its accounts audited by the chartered accountant or cost accountant under GST law. Okay. So as we all know that if the turnover of supplier exceeds 2 crore during the financial year, then supplier is supposed to get its accounts audited by chartered accountant or cost accountant under GST law. Okay. So in this case, turnover of Sindhu Enterprises exceeded 2 crores in current financial year. So they are asking whether Sindhu Enterprises is required to get its accounts audited. Now let's see the answer. Answer is yes. Now let's see what they have written. Section 35 subsection 5 of CGST Act, read with Rule 80 of CGST Rules 2017, provides that every registered person must get its accounts audited by a chartered accountant or a cost accountant if his aggregate turnover during a financial year exceeds rupees 2 crores. Since the turnover of Sindhu Enterprises has exceeded 2 crore in current financial year, it has to get its accounts audited by a chartered accountant or cost accountant. Okay. Now question number 2. Mala Services Limited is a supplier of management consultancy services. It is approached due to ascertain the period for which the books of accounts or other records need to be maintained. So the period for which books of accounts need to be maintained is 72 months. I hope you are able to recall the provision. 72 months, and if it's a subject matter of appeal, in that case the books of accounts and records are required to be preserved for 72 months or 1 year, whichever is later. Let's see the answer. Section 36 of CGST Act stipulates that every registered person required to keep and maintain books of accounts or other records in accordance with the provisions of subsection 1 of section 35 shall retain them until the expiry of 72 months from the due date of furnishing of annual return for the year pertaining to such accounts and records. However, a registered person who is a party to an appeal or revision or any other proceedings before any appellate authority or revisional authority or appellate tribunal or court, whether filed by him or by the commissioner, or is under investigation for an offence under chapter 19, shall retain the books of accounts and other records pertaining to the subject matter of such appeal or revision or proceedings or investigation for a period of 1 year after final disposal of such appeal or revision or proceedings or investigation, or for the period specified above, that is they are saying about 72 months, whichever is later. Okay. Now next question is question number 3. SL Groups has started making taxable supplies. You are required to advise it about the accounts and records required to be maintained by it as required under section 35(1) of CGST Act 2017. So you have to tell the accounts and records which are required to be maintained. So move to answer number 3. See, Section 35(1) of the CGST Act 2017 stipulates that a true and correct account of following is to be maintained: production or manufacture of goods, means records relating to the production and manufacture of goods, then inward and outward supply of goods or services or both, stock of goods, input tax credit availed, output tax payable and paid, such other particulars as may be prescribed. Okay, better learn this answer. It's very simple. If you read it twice, you'll be able to write an exam. Next is question number 4. Swad Restaurant has opted for composition scheme in the current financial year. Discuss the records which are not to be maintained by a supplier opting for composition levy as enumerated in Rule 56 of the CGST Rules 2017. So the composition supply is not required to maintain the accounts which records they are not required to maintain, that is stock details and tax details. Read question number, means read answer number 4. Following records are not required to be maintained by a supplier who has opted for composition scheme as per Rule 56 subsection 2 and subsection 4 of the CGST Rules 2017. Number 1 is stock of goods. Accounts of stock in respect of goods received and supplied by him, and such account shall contain particulars of the opening balance, receipt, supply, goods lost, stolen, destroyed, written off or disposed of by way of gift or free sample, and the balance of stock including raw material, finished goods, scrap and wastage thereof. Point number 2 is details of tax. Accounts containing the details of tax payable, including tax payable under reverse charge, tax collected and paid, input tax credit claimed, together with a register of tax invoice, credit notes, debit notes, delivery challan issued or received during any tax period. So basically tax details and stock details. Okay, last question of this chapter, question number 5. ABC Manufacturers Limited engages Raghav and Sons as an agent to sell goods on its behalf. ABC Manufacturer is the principal and Raghav and Sons is an agent. For the purpose, ABC Manufacturers Limited has supplied the goods to Raghav and Sons located in Haryana. Enumerate the accounts required to be maintained by Raghav and Sons as per Rule 56 subsection 11 of the CGST Rules 2017. So same particulars relating to authorization, then particulars of supply of goods, relating to supply, relating to goods received, all those. Read the answer. Rule 56 subsection 11 of the CGST Rules 2017 provides that every agent shall maintain accounts depicting the number 1 particulars of authorization received by him from each principal to receive or supply goods or services on behalf of such principal separately. Next is particulars including description, value and quantity wherever applicable of the goods or services received on behalf of every principal. Particulars including description, value and quantity wherever applicable of goods or services supplied on behalf of every principal. Details of accounts furnished to every principal, and tax paid on receipts or on supply of goods or services effected on behalf of every principal. So in short, 5 records are: first in particulars of authorization received, then particulars relating to goods or services received, particulars relating to goods or services supplied, accounts details which are furnished to every principal, and last one is tax details. Okay, so this completes our chapter 11. Okay, these questions are very easy. Okay, and it's a very small chapter as well. So in this week only I'll upload my next video also, means chapter 12 question answers, summary plus question answers of chapter 12. So stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And yeah, one important announcement is that anyone who is willing to solve DD illustrations and exercises as well of ICS study material, then please do visit the link given in the description. And yeah, please wait for my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy, be a real human being and spread lots and lots of love. Happy studying. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.